my hair, so what products I used and also how I diffuse it and section it. It's really funny, but I sectioned my entire head like this, so you can kind of see. I just take the complete just like crown of my head and I'll wet it down like soaking wet, and then I start off with putting this in. I put like around that much, and then I'll just run that through, and then I don't put that much on the top, but we're making a YouTube video today, so it has to be done. Okay, I'm gonna go like that and then just shake it and then scrunch it, and you should hear that. Like, if you don't hear that, then your hair isn't wet enough. Okay, and then I just do that across my entire head. First this, then I added this, then I added heat protectant, which I should have added first, but I forgot, and then I put some mousse in it, and then I'm just scrunching it all together. Now I can flip it over, take the rest of my hair out, and try to make them
Hey guys, today we're going to be walking you through our highly requested hair wash routine, which we do once a week. So we always start off by massaging our scalp to encourage hair growth. This one is from Fable and Mane. Next, on damp hair, we applied this Fable and Mane hair mask for 5 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This mask is honestly so nourishing. We live in the driest area ever, so it's essential.
We're fangirling so hard right now because Fable and Mane sent us a shampoo and conditioner. And when I tell you guys that our curls have never been more defined.
Guys, the most important part is making